Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video we are going to see how to fetch the data from database in PHP. So let's get started. So this is our code and I'll show you the output. So here we are going to fetch the data from the database. So this is our database and here we are going to fetch that in a table form. So let's get started with the coding. We are going to create a table. Let's say table, and here table heading head tr th, and here first we'll have the id and the name, email and phone number. Well, you can say contact also. Okay, contact number. Now we'll create the tbody tr td. Okay, so here we'll have the table data. So we'll write the PHP code here to fetch the data. Open PHP, close PHP. Here create a $query variable and write your query here. So what we are going to say is select star from the table name, that is users. Write the query run variable, query run, and say MySQL query, and here you have to pass the connection. So we have given the connection in the code.php. I'll just copy it from there, copy and paste it here. Pass the $con and your query here, $query. So now let us check if the data exists or not. So we are going to say if MySQL num rows of $query run is greater than 0. So it is going to count the total number of rows in this, and if it is greater than 0, that means if there is any data you have to show it. Else echo semicolon, okay, and say no data found. And here inside this you are going to say for each $query run as $row. Inside this we are going to give this table row, okay. Cut and paste it over here. So this is not td, this is tr, okay. So this is PHP, right? So you have to divide the PHP in order to support this HTML. PHP, here we are echoing $row of id. So first we have shown the id, right? So we'll show the id and then the name, email and the phone number. So this is your database column names, okay. So now let us check the output. Go and reload here. So we'll just add one class to his here. So table class table bordered, and we'll reload the page. Okay, so we have got the structure and it is iterated that many times, but it is not visible. Data is not visible. So here we have not given the echo. So give the echo, copy and paste it here, and now you can reload and check the output. So you can see you have got the data. So all the 4 data. I'll show you the database. So here we have 4 data, and here also we are able to fetch the 4 records. In this video we have seen how to fetch the data from database. So thank you for watching this video. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.